Today's Ask the Expert is sponsored by Pineview Medical Clinic. It's a clinic that is open here in St. Louis and treats ED with one of the most effective treatments in the country. Joining me now is Andrew Reinhardt from the Pineview Medical Clinic. Andrew, thanks so much for being here with us today.
Hello, thanks for having me.
Of course, Andrew. And I mean, you all have technology that is really the latest breakthrough for men who struggle with ED. Tell us all about it.
Well, that's right. Technology is pretty much changing every aspect of life. Finally, it's changing how we treat erectile dysfunction. It has been all pill for about 30 years, and I'm yet to meet a man that enjoys taking the pill for ED. The headaches, the side effects, and there's no spontaneity. Well, Pineview Medical Clinic is using a breakthrough treatment called acoustic wave therapy. Now, here's what it does. It delivers very gentle pressure waves through the skin into the blood vessels. There you can see basically what erectile dysfunction looks like on the left. It's damaged blood vessels, it's shriveled up blood vessels, and what our treatments can do on the right. This is helping so many couples get rid of the erectile dysfunction, improve blood flow, and here's my favorite part. No pills, no injections, and no side effects.
Oh, and Andrew, this acoustic wave therapy, like you just said, it's needle-free, it's surgery-free, and it's drug-free. That's the best part about it, right?
Yeah, that's exactly right. All of those things treat the symptoms of ED. They don't fix the actual problem. So a man kind of becomes a prisoner to taking that pill. He'll be doing it for the rest of his life, and the side effects get worse. This goes to the actual problem. One of the leading causes of ED is damaged blood vessels and restricted blood flow. So it makes sense. We have to fix that. We have to make healthier blood vessels. That is exactly what the treatments at Pineview Medical Clinic can accomplish.
And this procedure is backed by so many different studies and publications.
It really is. If you enjoy reading data, go to pineviewmedicalclinic.com. You can read almost 60 clinical studies. I believe it's irrefutable. Cambridge University, the Cleveland Clinic, Men's Health Magazine, and so many others have written about this. This technology is heavily vetted. It's been called safe and effective, and was even called the new standard of care for erectile dysfunction.
And Andrew, we also have to remember that ED is a serious medical condition, but there's hope. Tell us about the difference between what you all are doing at Pineview Medical Clinic versus other traditional methods that are available in the marketplace.
There are really two big differences between what we do and the traditional methods. The first is the side effects. There are no side effects with this technology because there are no chemicals, unlike the pill. The pressure waves repair the blood vessels. It improves blood flow. The second big difference is that we're really treating the root cause of the problem. Everything up until now has been a Band-Aid. And so a man, he doesn't fix the ED, he just treats it temporarily. This will allow for blood flow when the timing is right. We want things to work naturally, and that's what this does.
Well, you're taking care of not only the symptoms, but the root cause of ED. There's no pills, no invasive injections or surgery. That is pretty incredible. Give us a breakdown of how the technology actually works.
Well, if you think about what we do to a muscle in the gym, we agitate it a little bit and build that muscle up stronger. That is what our pressure waves do. Now, there's no pain. You won't feel that agitation, but it's tricking the body into healing itself. This is known as neovascularization. It's been used on other parts of the body for 50 years. We happen to specialize in erectile dysfunction, and it's so targeted and proven. I believe the pill will someday be a thing of the past.
And Andrew, is there any recovery time from this procedure?
Zero recovery time, zero pain. A treatment is only 10 or 15 minutes.
Wow, in and out. Do you have any special offers for our viewers that are at home watching today?
We have tremendous value today. If you or your man are struggling with erectile dysfunction and you're ready to regain your love life, grab your phone, call us before this segment ends, over about the next minute. The exam, the assessment, even the blood flow ultrasound, we're going to do it totally free. You'll get a gift that produces results in the bedroom in minutes. You'll love it. It's hundreds of dollars, but call 314-530-7777 right now. It's all totally free.
What? Everything is free. So go ahead and make an appointment today. You can head to their website, pineviewmedicalclinic.com. And of course, we'll make sure you have access to all of that information on our website. It's studiostl.tv. Go ahead, make your appointment today and allow Pineview Medical Clinic to use their acute acoustic wave therapy to take care of that ED.